Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. We were just on our way back from the Malta drag racing strip, call it that? Yeah, good. And we realised that we've got a little bit of power left in the ArrmaFelony. And the abandoned go-kart track is just by the side of the drag racing strip, you know. So we thought we would just do a little bit of drifting, see how it handles this track. Let's get on. So as you can see, right next door is the drag racing strip where we've just been. Oh.
Things, I'm sorry, doesn't matter anyway. We've been here one time too many, wonder what will happen next. We both know that this ship's going down. Let's get off and leave before we drown. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through. 'Cause we're see-through. We promised that nothing would break us, that we'd always find a way. When all was said and dust had settled, something didn't feel the same. We both know that this ship's going down. Let's get off and leave before we drown. There's nothing left for us to say, 'cause we're see-through. Let's save ourselves.
So unfortunately, ladies and gents, the batteries have run out. At least we got one quick lap around and a few slow-mo shots. It is a truly great car and the power slides are so much fun. Should you get one? I think you should. It's just very, very good at what it does. Is it better than the WL Toys and the Larlos? Yeah, quality-wise it is. You just feel like it's more of a real car, if that makes sense. It's more mechanical, it sounds just better. It is a great car. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.